Today's topic is meal planning made easy. Whether you're a busy mom, a student, or just someone who wants to eat healthier, meal planning can save you time, money, and most especially stress. So let's dive in and make meal planning a breeze. Hi, my name is Ngo, and I am passionate about helping you look your very best no matter your age. A few years back, I was always stressed about what to prepare for dinner. Every evening was a rush to throw something together into the pot and rush it out to the table for my family. Then one day, I decided to try meal planning. At first, it seemed like a lot of work. You may be thinking the same thing, and that's okay. But soon, it became a game changer for me and my family. Now, my family enjoys delicious meals every single day, and I have more free time in the evenings to relax and do the things that I love online. The question is, what is meal planning? Yes, I'm glad you asked. Meal planning is simply deciding what you are going to eat for the week ahead, the month ahead, and in betweens. You make a plan, buy the ingredients, and then cook the meals. It sounds simple, right? But it can make a huge difference in the way you do things and in your life. Here are 5 tips why meal planning is important. Tip number 1, it saves you time, my friend. When you plan your meals, you don't have to think about what to cook, what to prepare, and what to buy every single day. You just follow your plan. It's like having a little helper in the kitchen. Imagine having extra time to watch your favorite show or play with your children instead of stressing about dinner. Tip number 2, it saves you money. Yes, we'll get to money. By planning your meals, you can buy exactly what you need and avoid wasting food because you're buying exactly what your plan has in your paper. Plus, you can take advantage of sales and coupons and bulk shopping. Bulk shopping savings. Think about all the money you can save by not eating out or buying unnecessary items at the store because you are in a rush. Tip number 3, it helps you eat healthier. Yes, meal planning, my friend, helps you make better food choices. As difficult as it sounds, but that's the truth. You can plan balanced meals with lots of fruits, veggies, and whole grains. When it's planned in advance, you see you get it going. It's like having a roadmap to healthy eating. And the best part is you will feel great and have more energy. Tip number 4, it reduces stress. Remember that stress is linked to weight gain, blood sugar levels, and so many other things. Knowing what for dinner takes away the daily stress of figuring out what to cook. It makes your life easier and more organized. Picture this. You come home from work, from school runs, or from shopping, and instead of scrambling to make dinner, you just follow. Easy peasy. You follow your plan. Tip number 5, it encourages variety. This is so important. With meal planning, you, my friend, can try new recipes, new foods, continental and intercontinental dishes. It keeps things exciting and prevents you and your family from getting bored with the same old meals and dishes. Imagine discovering a new favorite dish every single week. What would it look like? What would it sound like? What would it feel like? Bringing out a dish that your family are yet to try. One time I planned to make a fancy lasagna for dinner. I bought all the ingredients, put them together, and followed all the recipe to a T. But when it was time to eat, I realized I forgot to put on the oven. We ended up having apples and peanut butter that night. But although it was funny, it was a reminder to double check every single thing. Here are steps to start your own meal planning journey. Are you ready for this? I hope you're looking forward to it. Tip number 1, make a list of your favorite meals. What are those meals that bring joy to you and your family? Start by listing all your favorite meals one by one, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. This list will be your go-to resource for your meal planning exercise. Tip number 2, create a weekly plan. Decide what you will eat each day for the week. I have a meal planner. Let me know if you will want it. Write it down or use a meal planning app. Make sure to include a variety of meals to keep things interesting. Tip number 3, make a shopping list. Based on your meal plan, make a shopping list of all the ingredients you will be needing for your meals for that week or that month. Stick to the list when you go shopping and avoid buying unnecessary food items. Tip number 4, prepare your ingredients in advance. Prepare some ingredients in advance to save time during cooking process. You can chop your vegetables in advance and store in the fridge. You can cook the grains and you can marinate meats and put in the fridge. This way, cooking will be faster and easier. Tip number 5, be flexible. Life happens. And sometimes things don't go as planned. It's okay to switch things up if needed. The goal is to make your life easier, not harder. Meal planning can transform your life, your dinner table, your meals in so many positive ways. It saves you time, money, and stress, and helps you eat healthier. So, it's your turn. Give it a try and see how meal planning can have and make a difference for you and your family. Check in the comments. Let me know if you need a meal planner. I have a healthy meal planner for you. It's completely free of charge. It's a template that will get you started. Leave some comments below and share your meal planning tips and experiences if you've tried it before, and whether it worked or it didn't work, still let me know in the comments. And if you need personalized help in planning meals for specific health conditions, or you have some questions, send me a direct message. I am here to help you. Remember, meal planning is here not to make your work harder, but to make your life easier. Let's make meal planning easy and fun together. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to leave some comments or questions